All right, this recording is of the current Ryzeo reporting in our system as it is today. So I'm going to go over both the reporting for email marketing and also for the Insights Behavioral Remarketing reporting. So both reporting functions are on the Reports tab, so I'm going to click on Reports. And by default, it opens up the blast report, which is the email marketing. So these are all the blast emails that have gone out. And it lists them in date order. And so the important information, obviously, summary information is on this page. The recipients, you can then also click on that to get the subscribers, the delivery rate, the bounce rate. Unique viewers, so you can click on that and export to a spreadsheet. Social viewers, which we don't really track anymore, so that's not a feature that we really are concerned about. Unique clickers, I can hover over that and export those to a spreadsheet. Unsubscribe, same thing, although I think if I click on that, I believe it lets me, it takes me into the detail of this. And you can click on unsubscribes here to get a list. It should pull a list. There we go. All right, I'm going to go back to the reports blast summary page just to finish up there. Obviously, the conversion dollar amounts is very important. And the people, one thing we obviously want, we can't click to get to who those people are, and that's a feature we would like going forward. So we want to be able to click and pull up who those people were that converted. And then obviously the dates. So that's the summary page. Now I can click on the subject line of the email, and that takes us into the detail page for this report. A lot of this is kind of redundant. So you've got these tabs here at the top, and these coincide with these tabs over here. So you've got the conversions. Again, we'd like to be able to link that to who those people were. Unique viewers. If I hover that, I can export those to a spreadsheet. Total views. If I click on that, it actually is going to pull up this tab, the Views tab, so you can see who those people were that viewed. Go back to Summary. Again, social viewers, we don't really use that. Unique clickers, same thing. If I click on that, it's going to open up the Clicks, I believe, tab, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, actually, the next one down. Oh, there we go. Clicks, and there are the people that clicked on inside the emails. Back to the summary page, total clicks. Again, if I click on that, that's going to take us to what links were clicked on. So one is the people that clicked on, and the other is what were the links that people clicked on. And then you can see you can export those to a spreadsheet. Back to the summary page. Unsubscribes, if I hover over that, you can see that. You can click on that, and it opens up the unsubscribes tab. I think I have to click it again to get them to pull up. So I'm going to click on it again, unsubscribes, and it should then show which subscribers unsubscribed from the email. Back to summary, and then forwards. That just opens up the same forwards tab. I don't think they're showing anything here. And then again, social shares. I'm not sure what we actually use widgets for. I'm not sure what that is. I don't think that's the use, so that's not something that we want forward. So that is kind of an overview of the email marketing reporting. So I'm going to switch over now to Insights reporting. It's a little bit different. So we click on, I'm going to go to Workflows. All right, so in the workflows phase, we've got these tabs: email report, conversion report, performance report, orders, and discounts. Discounts is not being used, so I won't show that. You can set the date range here of that you want for the reporting for the insights. So let's just go back a few months just for kicks, just to show you, and then hit apply. I usually start then with the orders tab, and this is going to show all the orders that came from the customer's cart system. So it has really nothing to do with this is not really our reporting. This is just strictly total orders that we received from the customer's cart system during this time frame for each month. and then it also shows the average order value and the revenue. Net Promoter Score is something we were working on, but not something that's active right now, so we don't use that. Performance report. This is very useful, again, to show the conversions and the click rate and the conversion rate that occurred in each month. Now, these are our conversions, so it shows how many recipients, and if I hover over that, it shows you the total conversions, the unique recipients, unique clicks, and the monetary value. Click rate, shows that same information, same with the conversion dollar amount, and same with the conversion percentage. But very useful report to show month-to-month conversions. The conversion report. This shows the breakdown of the conversions and the value, conversion dollar amounts that happen in each of the different workflows. So this is very useful. Again, it shows the total conversions, and then it shows which of the workflows are getting the most conversions. In this case, it's the product series. Next would be welcome series, and then cart, and then category, and then search. So there's no click rate or nothing, no click flyovers on this particular report. All right, and the email report. All right, this shows the performance of the emails. I usually concentrate on these top numbers here. And the way I describe it is customers, this is the number of recipients, that's the unique customer count. For people that were in one or more of these workflows, it's not a subtotal, it just shows unique customers that were in one or more of these workflows down here. Conversion rate, I can hover over that. That shows the average conversion rate, shows the total number of people and the total value of the conversions. Delivery rate, again, this is rarely 100%, but in this case, it's showing it rounds up to 100%. Usually that's around 99%, but I can hover over that. It shows the delivers. Email send skip, that's an interesting, that just means the customer would have been in the workflow, but they might have been in another workflow, so we didn't send the email. And that's by design. So it doesn't mean anything is wrong. It just means the customer did a behavior that would have put them in a workflow, but we did not send the email because they were already in a workflow, or maybe they made a purchase. So that's a normal occurrence. Inactive, unsubscribed people, failed, and then the bounces. Open rate, that obviously shows what the average open rate is overall for this time frame. Click rate is obviously the number of clickers, and average click percentage, and then the total clicks, and then the unsubscribes, total people that unsubscribed. So this would obviously be nice if you wanted to see that link to who those people were. All right, and then the rest of it is just each individual workflow, the same numbers for each of the workflows. Now, something you can do here that a lot of people don't know about is you can click on the individual workflows here to get details on the emails that are in those workflows. So I'll use product series as an example. If I click on product series, it should open up the product series and show me those emails. Just waiting for the system here. There we go. All right, so in this case, there's 3 emails, and they're based on subject line. So it shows the 3 emails. It shows the total number of recipients. It shows the conversions. You can hover over that. It shows the delivery rate. You can hover over that. The open rate, you can hover there. The click rate, and the unsubscribes. So that is the reporting that we have for the workflows and the insights behavioral reporting. One other thing I'll mention, the email report, you can export that into a spreadsheet, which is helpful. We have this option, export as by group by month. That is something that has not worked as well, so that's not something I recommend we do. But the export to CSV for this report is helpful. I know customers do that. All right, that is my summary of our reporting. Hopefully this was helpful.